Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Surfshark VPN for Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Surfshark VPN for Android, start by unlocking your Android device. Locate the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap on the Google Play Store icon to open it. Once the Play Store is open, find the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type in Surfshark VPN. After entering the name, tap on the search button or hit enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the Surfshark VPN app. It should be displayed with the Surfshark logo. Tap on the app to open its page. On this page, you will see an install button. Tap the install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, you will see an open button. You can either tap that button or return to your home screen. Find the Surfshark VPN app icon in your apps list. Tap on the Surfshark icon to open it. On the welcome screen, you will be prompted to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're new to Surfshark, follow the prompts to create a new account. After logging in, you may be guided through a brief setup process. Once set up, you can choose a server to connect to. Lastly, tap the Connect button to start using Surfshark VPN on your Android device. Enjoy secure browsing with your new VPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.